Welcome friends to the Windows 10 video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about devices. So how you can connect or how you can add new devices to your computer system. So let's see how you can do it. For that, you will have to go to the settings menu. So go to the Action Center and click on this All Setting option. It will open up a new window from which you can access various device settings by just clicking on this Devices menu. You will find you can do many things with devices. For example, you can add printer and scanners. You can see connected device or you can add a new device. You can configure your Bluetooth. You can have a mouse and touchpad settings as well. Typing, autoplay and USB settings. So let's see some of these options. First one is printers and scanners. If you have connected any printer or scanner to your computer, you will have to add it to your computer. So I have fax, Microsoft Print to PDF, Microsoft XPS document writer and OneNote. No any printer or scanner is added to my computer system. You can add it by just clicking over here. But currently I don't have any printer or scanner available, so I cannot do it. So I am just skipping this option. Now let's go to connected devices. In connected devices, you can see all the devices which are connected to your computer system. You can also add new device like your mobile phone, any other external USB or non-USB device. Currently you can see I have one USB audio device, virtual CD-ROM, one network computer, one network drive and one USB mouse. So these are connected devices. To add new device, you can click here. It will search for new devices if it is available. But currently I don't have any external devices available to connect, so I'm just closing it. Now let's see Bluetooth options. To turn on Bluetooth, you can just click on this toggle button and turn it on. It will search for Bluetooth devices nearby your PC. If there is any device available, then it will shown up here, and after that you can connect it to your computer. For more Bluetooth option, you can just click on this link and you will find one pop-up where you can access more Bluetooth settings. If you want to be discovered your PC, then you can check this option and click on this apply and OK button. Now your PC is available to other devices as well. Now let's see mouse and touchpad setting. If you want to set your primary button as a right or left, then you can just set it by here. Roll the mouse wheel to scroll. If you want to scroll multiple lines at a time or one complete screen at a time, you can set it by here. How many lines you want to scroll each time? If you want to scroll more lines, you can set it by here. I'm just setting it to 4. Scroll inactive windows when I hover over them? No, I don't want to do that. Now let's see touchpad setting. Your PC has a precision touchpad. This is about my PC's touchpad. You want to touchpad to be on or off, you can set it by just here. Leave touchpad on when mouse is connected. If your mouse is connected and you want to turn off that touchpad, then you can set it by this option. A mouse is connected. This is my current status. Reverse scrolling direction. I'm just turning it off. So this is about some mouse settings. You can go through all the options available. Currently we are skipping some. Now let's see autoplay. What you want to do when some removable drive is connected to your PC? You can choose it by here. You want to import photos and videos from Dropbox? choose what to do with each type of media. Take no action, open folder to view files, means opening file explorer of that particular removable drive, or ask every time. It will ask you every time when you connect removable drive, and you can choose what action to take. Likewise, memory card and other devices that are connected to your PC. So this is about autoplay option. Now USB. When you connect USB, it will notify that USB device is connected. For example, I am connecting one pen drive. This is the notification. You can turn off this notification by turning off this option. So this is about various kind of USB devices and other devices options. Thank you very much.